Good day everyone, we are Hew Zi Kang student. We are from the Department of Manufacturing and Mechanical Engineering. So today our video will discuss about the lab we have conducted, which is titled the coefficient of static friction.
My name is Iffa Binti Mazlan, and I will handle for the introduction part in this lab. In the coefficient of the friction of a landed lab, we will require to measure static friction for rope and the fixed drum. After doing the experiment, we were expected to apply the equation for static friction to determine the friction in each situation. This experiment is an easy way to measure the coefficient of static friction. The coefficient of static friction was identified by using the difference of the volume of water in both bottles. Next is for the objective in this experiment. The objective is to determine the coefficient of static friction between the rope and the fixed drum.
I am Hazatul Akma, and I will handle part methodology for this lab. So first one, the 500 ml and 1500 ml PET bottles will fill up with the same volume of water. Second, the bottles on the fixed drum were hung up. Third, the water was spread to the top onto the 1500 ml PET bottle and stopped once the rope slid towards the bottle. And fourth, the coefficient of static friction was identified by using the difference of the volume of water in the both bottles.
The apparatus we prepare for this laboratory experiment is an 1500 and 500 ml PET bottles and a rope, and last but not least, any cylindrical fixed drum. So how we conduct the experiment? Firstly, we should pour some water into the both of the bottle. The water volume should be same. Next, we should hang the bottle on the fixed drum. Then, we need to pour the water gradually into the 1500 PET bottles and stop once the rope will start slip toward the 1500 ml bottle. Last but not least, we need to calculate the coefficient of the static friction by using the difference of the volume of the bottle in both bottles.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Hakim. So for my part, I will handle for discussion. Basically, for discussion, we know that when we add water into the bottle, it causes the weight changes to the bottle. So from here, we also change the force acting on the bottle. So for our experiment, we can simply draw the free body diagram, which is and have force acting on the fixed drum. From here, we can list every force acting on the drum, and we can calculate the coefficient of static friction by comparing the net force of Fx and Fy by applying Newton's second law. So we can use gravitational acceleration and mass to find the weight, and we compare and we find the net total for each force to find the coefficient of static friction. That's all for me. Thank you.
For the conclusion part is, first, the experiment is succeed, and the last one is the coefficient of static friction is 0.6. Thank you.